Here we have a 69 plate BMW 320i XDRIVE, and this vehicle comes with over £3,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website. They include the M Sport Plus package and the Comfort package. We have the 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black, along with the blue M Sport brake calipers. The white exterior paintwork, LED headlights, we have the two gloss black front grills. We also have the M Performance kit, which includes the gloss black front splitter. We have the side skirts along the bottom. Come around to the passenger side, you find we have the second alloy wheel, again in excellent condition. We also have the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Shark fin antennae up top, along with the rear spoiler lip. We also have the front and rear parking sensors with a visual display and a reversing camera as well. Round to the rear, you find we have the rear diffuser with the dual exhaust. We also have a power assisted tailgate. If you press the button on the remote, the boot will pop open like so. And inside of here, you find we have a decent amount of space to just go quite far back. We have the storage net on the left and also on the right hand side. A button just here, if you press that button, then the boot will close again like so. And then walking back round to the driver's side now, you find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look at the interior then, coming into the back first, you find we have the full leather interior. We have the refundable armrest in the centre and the fixed ISO points. We also have the M Sport style seat belts, really nice touch they are. We have the climate control for the rear passengers. We also have the electric windows on the doors, along with the ambient lighting just there if the camera can pick it up. Taking a look at the front, you find we have the same leather interior, and apologies about the sun. There's a look at the front seats, both of which are heated. We also have the electric windows with child lock for the rear, electric power folding mirrors, and again the ambient lighting. We also have the automatic lights just down there, the automatic wipers. We have a multifunctional steering wheel with paddle shifters either side. Taking a seat inside, you find we have the speed limiter and the cruise control just down on the left hand side. Digital dashboard here in front of us. So if you put our foot on the brake and press the start button, which is just down there, then the vehicle will start up for us. And you'll find on the digital dashboard that we're free from any warning lights. So we do also have the main screen here in the centre, currently showing the sat nav. If any of the screens are flickering, then that's just the camera. They're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. So we have the shortcuts just down here. If you click onto the media, you find we have the radio stations. We also have the music collection and the Bluetooth audio. The Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. We also have some apps which are currently installed on this vehicle. If you go to the main menu, go on to the car. This is where you find we have the settings, which has the interior ambient lighting with plenty of colours to choose from just here. We also have the intelligent safety, which makes it a very safe vehicle to drive, along with the different drive modes, which the buttons are just down here for. So as you can see, we have the adaptive drive mode, we have Eco Pro, Comfort and also Sport. Also changes the dials just here as you go through each drive mode. Further down, you find we have the heated seats on either side and the ice-cold air conditioning working as it should do, as you can see, just like so. If you put the car into reverse, you find we have the reversing camera along with the front and rear parking sensors. Again, further down, you find we have the wireless phone charging inside of there. We also have the cup holders, 12-volt connectivity and a USB port. And then we have the electric handbrake just here, along with a nice leather armrest which can be opened up for more storage. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this 69 plate BMW 320i XDRIVE M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you'd expect it to. And as you can see, I'm able to fight with the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. We're not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, but staying straight and true. We do have the multifunctional steering wheel, which has the paddle shifters. If you want to stick the car into manual mode, tap one of the paddles to change gear. The steering wheel is also heated, which is perfect for the cold winter mornings. We do also have the cruise control and the speed limiter. Digital dashboard here in front of us, which can show different displays that you would have seen on the photos and also the walk around video. And if you do listen carefully throughout this video test drive, you'll also notice we're free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We do have the full leather interior throughout this vehicle, which is very comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3, or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both the front seats are also heated, again perfect for the cold winter mornings. And we do have the main screen here in the centre currently showing the sat nav. We also have plenty of other features on there, again you would have seen on the photos. We do have the free zone climate control, the ice cold air conditioning, which is perfect for these hot summer days. Plenty of other features, for example we have the ambient lighting and the wireless phone charging. We do also have the automatic gearbox with all the different drive modes. Now in a moment we're about to take a right hand turn onto the industrial park, so we'll put our right indicator on, allow the traffic to pass and slow down. I'm going to take the right hand turn now onto the industrial park, and then I'll perform an emergency stop in 3, 2 and 1. Hold on to the brakes, and then if we put the car into reverse, we have the reversing camera along with the front and rear parking sensors. Back into drive with no issues whatsoever. And if this video hasn't answered all your questions, please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running through some inquiries with you. But that's all from me today. Cheers.